Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin. Question 1. At the busy farmer's market, Mr. Alvarez gave a candid review of his neighbor's tomatoes, saying exactly what he thought without softening his opinion. Which word is the best synonym for the word in all caps? Here are your choices. A. Vague. B. Cautious. C. Frank. D. Polite. The correct answer is C. Frank. Candid means honest and direct, which matches frank. The clue, without softening his opinion, supports this. Question 2. While waiting in line at the bank, Dana noticed the teller handled an angry customer with great poise, staying calm and composed the whole time. What does the word in all caps mean? Here are your choices. A. Quiet boredom. B. Calm self-assurance. C. Open hostility. D. Confusion under pressure. The correct answer is B. Calm self-assurance. Poise means a graceful, composed manner. The phrase staying calm and composed defines it directly. Question 3. After comparing prices at 3 different grocery stores, Leon made a prudent choice and bought the brand that cost less but lasted just as long. The word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Sensible. B. Hasty. C. Reckless. D. Generous. The correct answer is A. Sensible. Prudent means showing careful, sensible judgment, which fits comparing prices before choosing. Question 4. The bus driver's instructions were so ambiguous that half the passengers got off at the wrong stop. Based on context, the word in all caps means. Here are your choices. A. Written down neatly. B. Loud and clear. C. Spoken too quickly. D. Open to more than one meaning. The correct answer is D. Open to more than one meaning. If passengers were confused and got off at the wrong stop, the instructions had more than one possible meaning. Question 5. The word benefactor contains the Latin root bene. A wealthy benefactor donated new computers to the public library so anyone could use them for free. Using the root, what does benefactor most likely mean? Here are your choices. A. Someone who manages money. B. Someone who repairs machines. C. Someone who does good or gives help. D. Someone who borrows often. The correct answer is C. Someone who does good or gives help. The root bene means good, and the context of donating computers shows a benefactor is one who does good. Question 6. Read this passage. At the recycling center, volunteers sorted glass, plastic, and paper into separate bins. A worker explained that mixing the materials forced the whole batch to be thrown away, wasting hours of effort. What is the main idea of this passage? Here are your choices. A. Proper sorting is necessary to make recycling worthwhile. B. Recycling centers throw away most materials anyway. C. Volunteers should not work at recycling centers. D. Glass is harder to recycle than paper. The correct answer is A. Proper sorting is necessary to make recycling worthwhile. The passage stresses that mixing materials ruins the batch, so the central point is the importance of sorting correctly. Question 7. At the dentist's office, the receptionist said the appointment would be brief but thorough, meaning the dentist would still check every tooth carefully. The word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Rushed and partial. B. Complete and careful. C. Cheap and quick. D. Painful and slow. The correct answer is B, complete and careful. Thorough means complete in every detail. Check every tooth carefully signals completeness. Question 8. Read this passage. The new self-checkout machines were supposed to save time. Instead, shoppers fumbled with barcodes, called for help, and watched lines grow longer than ever. Within a month, the store quietly brought back its human cashiers. Which conclusion is best supported by the passage? Here are your choices. A. Barcodes are an outdated technology. B. Customers prefer paying with cash. C. The store had too few cashiers to begin with. D. The self-checkout machines did not work as intended. The correct answer is D. The self-checkout machines did not work as intended. The machines were meant to save time but caused longer lines, leading the store to reverse course, showing they failed their purpose. Question 9. Which sentence uses correct punctuation for an introductory element, as you might see in a note left for a roommate? Here are your choices. A. After I finish the laundry, I'll start dinner. B. After I finish the laundry, I'll start dinner. C. After I finish the laundry, I'll start dinner. D. After I finish the laundry, I'll start dinner. The correct answer is A. After I finish the laundry, I'll start dinner. An introductory dependent clause should be followed by a comma before the main clause. Question 10. Read this passage. The handwritten sign on the cafe door read, "Cash only today. Our card reader is down." A line of customers checked their wallets, and a few stepped out to find an ATM. What can the reader infer about the customers who stepped out? Here are your choices. A. They were angry at the cafe owner. B. They decided not to buy anything. C. They did not have enough cash on hand. D. They preferred a different cafe. The correct answer is C. They did not have enough cash on hand. They left to find an ATM, which implies they needed to withdraw cash because they didn't have enough. Question 11. In a customer review of a repair shop, the writer warned readers about the mechanic's dubious promise to fix the car in 1 hour. What does the word in all caps suggest about the promise? Here are your choices. A. It was generous. B. It was doubtful or questionable. C. It was guaranteed. D. It was inexpensive. The correct answer is B. It was doubtful or questionable. Dubious means doubtful or not to be relied upon. A warning to readers signals distrust. Question 12. Which sentence correctly uses a relative pronoun in a sentence about an everyday task? Here are your choices. A. The plumber which fixed our sink charged a fair price. B. The plumber whom fixed our sink charged a fair price. C. The plumber whose fixed our sink charged a fair price. D. The plumber who fixed our sink charged a fair price. The correct answer is D. The plumber who fixed our sink charged a fair price. Who is the correct relative pronoun for a person acting as the subject of the clause? Question 13. At the recycling drive, the organizer praised the teens for their diligent effort since they worked steadily for hours without complaining. The word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices. A. Hardworking and careful. B. Occasional. C. Lazy. D. Reluctant. The correct answer is A. Hardworking and careful. Diligent means showing steady, careful effort. Matching worked steadily for hours. Question 14. Which sentence corrects the run-on found on a community bulletin board? Here are your choices. A. The food bank needs volunteers. Please sign up at the front desk. B. The food bank needs volunteers. Please sign up at the front desk. C. The food bank needs volunteers. Please sign up at the front desk. D. The food bank needs volunteers. Please sign up at the front desk. The correct answer is D. The food bank needs volunteers. Please sign up at the front desk. Two independent clauses must be joined by a semicolon or a period, not just a comma, which would create a comma splice. Question 15. Read this passage. To save money, Maya started bringing lunch from home instead of buying it. By the end of the month, she had set aside almost $40. She decided to do the same the following month. What is the author's main purpose in this passage? Here are your choices. A. To persuade readers to stop eating at restaurants. B. To entertain readers with a funny story. C. To inform readers how a small habit can save money. D. To describe what Maya eats for lunch. The correct answer is C. To inform readers how a small habit can save money. The passage explains the result of a simple habit and its savings, an informational purpose. Question 16. A landlord's notice said tenants must vacate the apartment by noon. The word contains the Latin root vac. Using the root, what does vacate most likely mean? Here are your choices. A. To repair. B. To leave empty or move out of. C. To pay for. D. To clean thoroughly. The correct answer is B. To leave empty or move out of. The root vac means empty, so vacate means to leave a place empty. Question 17. Which revision best combines these two sentences into one complex sentence using a subordinating conjunction? The grocery store closed early. A storm was approaching. Here are your choices. A. The grocery store closed early and a storm was approaching. B. The grocery store closed early, a storm was approaching. C. The grocery store closed early, a storm was approaching. D. The grocery store closed early because a storm was approaching. The correct answer is D. The grocery store closed early because a storm was approaching. Because is a subordinating conjunction that shows the cause and effect relationship in a complex sentence. Question 18. Read this passage. Critics argue that rideshare apps make cities more convenient, yet drivers often work long hours for little pay, and traffic in busy downtowns has only worsened. Convenience for some, it seems, comes at a cost to others. Which sentence best states the author's claim? Here are your choices. A. Traffic downtown has improved because of rideshare apps. B. Rideshare convenience comes with hidden costs to drivers and cities. C. Rideshare apps are completely harmful and should be banned. D. Drivers earn high wages using rideshare apps. The correct answer is B. Rideshare convenience comes with hidden costs to drivers and cities. The passage acknowledges convenience, but emphasizes costs to drivers and traffic, which the final sentence summarizes as the claim. Question 19. During the neighborhood meeting, the chairperson urged residents to be concise so everyone could speak before the room closed. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Slow and detailed. B. Loud and forceful. C. Brief and to the point. D. Polite and friendly. The correct answer is C. Brief and to the point. Concise means expressing much in few words. The context of limited time and many speakers supports brevity. Question 20. Read these two short passages. Passage 1. Online shopping lets you compare prices instantly and order from home, saving both time and gas. Passage 2. Shopping in person lets you inspect items, avoid shipping fees, and take purchases home the same day. What is the main difference in the author's viewpoints? Here are your choices. A. Each author emphasizes the advantages of a different shopping method. B. Each author argues that shopping is a waste of time. C. Both authors warn against spending too much money. D. Both authors believe online shopping is best. The correct answer is A. Each author emphasizes the advantages of a different shopping method. Passage 1 highlights benefits of online shopping, while Passage 2 highlights benefits of in-person shopping, so they emphasize different methods' advantages. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with your child's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real, hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.